I believe ukuthi iphila of strength yomuntu. Mina ngiphila of strength yomuntu.
Okay, I have a question.
Besides is scientific explanation, what is love for? Before sofika ku true love,
it's a delusion. If it's not true love.
Ngiyazi mina ubaba mungitshela ukuthi ngeke ngizokuzala ngiphinde ngize ngawe mina. Owami lo
inkinga iqala lapho.
Owakhe lo yamuzi ngihlala kuwo.
Inkinga iqala lapho.
Like wena since uzoba i-timer, usifundise like.
Ngithatha kodwa advice ngasubscribe.
Yeah, advice akuse umuntu ongasubscribe-anga le advice le. Yini umehluko between i-discipline nokuthi baqinise isandla kini?
Discipline is spoken. Discipline ayikhuluma discipline before you instill.
So wena if bayakushaya akusi discipline le.
Yeah, you need to have a reason enough because
so penile.
Yeah, you understand?
Uyavela nangu umntana wakho khipha ismoke esigcwala iroom lonke. Ayabona lo mntana uzosha lo.
Ushafuna igcina umlisi.
Would you marry girl on a body count edlula o5?
Yeah, man, I wouldn't mind because mina I can say I don't want to judge anyone ukuthi past yakhe beyinjani and whatnot.
Exactly.
Before we get into today's video, guys, please support our channel by buying our merch so we can keep the lights on and give you the best content ever. 200 each, 350 for 2. Enjoy today's video.
Asho lapho, ladies and gentlemen, niyazubani uteni London uma sweet izinto ezimnandi bathini lapho Mr 6 Gun flavor iri up. Ngiyacava abafethu makunami senza kube mniyandi. Bafethu tunina abanye ama loyal fan wami labe wabhekelele feel ngitshela. Sorry for ukungadrophi iGenZisi bafethu yakho. Khona inkinga bengihlangana nazo. So bekumele ngisolve lezo inkinga before ngibuya la ngizokhipha inkinga zami phambi kwabantu. So bafethu we back again ngenye episode. So this is episode 11. Ngiyacaba fandaga ngivane awuthi mina izozibeka izibiza ngakhona. Shaye lento le siyayenza awuthi yamusi la ngisiphile.
Njalo mfowethu njalo.
Asiyenze neza mfowethu lo khuluma Yes, asiyenza kushise bafethu ngiyacaba upeni spicy akekho fandaga ubani dini London 6 Gun. Lapho sithola ufaka i-gunshot ka sabahlanyisa. Obviously yazi wenzakalani awuthi yami wena sozocala uzibize la ubatshela ukuthi uzibiza ngobani uzintroduce nani njalo. Mara before lokho batshela basubscribe labantu abasha la ngathi abafuna ukwenza into right lapho.
Ashaya izulu vele.
Hayi izulu asibalanda awuthi yami.
Hey. Balandile emakhaya. Ihleli la noLandani ngiphethe abajita lana sponsored by Black Cotton bakwethu lona ulunga wakhumalo mfana wasemakhaya. Hey. Umculi nani ukuyinani zokubona nje bakwethu kodwa nje ngithi angiqale ngokuthi mfowethu cha ona ukuthi ngibe lana. Thank you for having me nabafowethu lana. You have a nice setup. Thank you.
Thank chama sibonga. So nimzwile mfowethu so ngazi introduce abali lami ngitshela. Share lama intro wakha proper ngathi ushare stock yabona shama phela uma ushare. Share wona lama intro ma ushare la ngitshela.
Kodwa uSmagebe ubuye ngavukula imoto manje hayi. Wait, this is your boy Lunga. I'm rolling with my buddy over here.
Your host bafethu bani uteni London ngiyacava nani.
We got the vibes basho kanjalo ngesingisi. So guys, silapha ngilapha and yeah, it's that. Awethu ngithi ngifike lana nje nami ngizophawula ngigonyuluke ngikhipho sesifubeni bawethu. It's an honor to be here. Please share subscribe lapho ungashaya ngosubscribe. Subscribe. Ungashaya ngosubscribe lapho ngizomshaya.
Umzulu lo inkabi ngeza yashaya lo subscribe.
Mfethu subscribe soblada.
Asimlanda if ubukela lapha YouTube ucabanga ngathi akuboni ukuthi ubukele.
Akudlale data mfethu ukusubscribe.
Uthi sibalani. Okay, back to the topic awuthi yami simane sisheshe senze into eyenzayo mfethu. Okay, awuthi yami mina ngolandana ngithi felu yazi. London udume ngokuphapha ya bantwana. Yonke into yangishona. Yonke into bayangazi felu ukuthi ngidume ngani. Nawe uyangazi ubukela ukuthi ngidume ngani ngithi. So awuthi yami awubachazele wena labantu uthi wena felu udume ngani isisiphi Spani. Fandaga felu bosishenga ukuthi sikhulume ngani njengoba silayo ngitho.
So basically first mina like ngasho like ngi public figure because ngiya represent ama opinion abantu abaningi abanganayo voice beyikhulumela yabo. So yeah, but in this case, I dabble in music because ngakuzwisa the other day lapha Vesta toxic. Ngiyazi ukuthi ukushaya graphic design, ngiyi-poet futhi ngiyabhala futhi yabona.
Yeah, ngayibona le poem yakhe.
Ngishaya public speaking, but mostly ngigxile kakhulu kuma-academics yabona. So apart from ama-academics, cha ilokho nje yabona I'm an artist. So engize ngakho la ekhaya ukuthi ngiyafisa manje sikhulume unpack izinto ezinjenge trauma, generational curses, pain, ukuthi i-pain kahle hle iyadingeka empilweni ukuze ukwazi ukuthi uye forward, because without pain ayikho basically into owazi ukuthi uyifulfill, you understand? Yeah, and also ukugcina relationships nanokuthi kungani mina ngibe misogynistic basho kanjalo ngesigisi ukuthi mina why ngisho izinto engizisho lezo ukuthi ama body count
lo muntu lo athi angeke ashade uCherry one body count edlule 5. So if nawe lapho ne body count sezofika ku5 and uzibhekela ulungu, make sure ukuthi uyazibamba yakupimpa la kuma fan wami, make sure bafethu nina enzoba nisibhekelele body count less than 5. Yahlala sithole ngikubuza wena behind the camera ne, like if kule stage sethu, would you marry girl on a body count edlula u5?
Yeah, man, I wouldn't mind because mina I can say I don't want to judge anyone ukuthi past yakhe beyinjani and whatnot.
Exactly, outside. Lento bengitshela
it's an outside.
Macala wena ngamshada ugeli macala one body count edlula u5 anyi
5 ikalo kwenzani sonke lesikhathi sifika ku5.
Okay.
So ngamshada nakho.
Mina ngamshada, mina ngakushada baby girl. If one body count edlula i5 ngakushada mina baby girl. Okay. Scott, ngithola sivele singene endabeni straight out here ngiyangitshela.
So i-trauma.
Siqale nge-trauma like before bayabona lama topic we-trauma, self-hatred, i-pain nani yabo. Adinga like sensitive kakhulu ngithola besides ama professional nani. Ezwena ushilo ukuthi like ukhulumela abantu abanganama voices, so obvious out there khona umuntu obhekelele la uzoba ane same experience nale experience.
I don't obhekelela subscribe njalo.
Subscribe wena siyakusiza manje.
Siba therapist basically.
Sesiba ama therapist manje ngiphethe ilunga la lunga lomphakathi lunga lomndeni lunga siphethe ilunga lapha ilunga le podcast ilunga member ngithiwa so awuthiyam asicale yiye ngithiwa like very ubani like very childhood yakho ukhuluma umuntu onjani ezinjalo yabo, because vele istory siqala la ukuthi ukhule phela sonke like njengoba ungibona ngoLondon ngiphapha manje ngila ngikhuluma kakhulu nami khona izinto engidlule through zone ukuthi ngize ngibe ngifike la ngikhona ngithola and i-violent icala from saseyintwana ngithola. So wena like ngitshela umuntu obukele la ukuthi wena feel ukhule kanjani, buyintwana enjani endlini, ukhule kuyi-situation enjani, if awumind ukukhuluma ngama situation wasendlini yabo.
So like okay ngiyabona igama lenhlunga yabo. It's kind of like into eyaphuma from eceleni yabo. Kahle mangabe ngiyichaza nje like igama lami uBayanda waKhumalo, ngizale ekhaya kumama, ngizale ekhaya kumalume yabo. So kahle ngizalwa eSwazini, but then like ngathathwa ngasika ekhaya kumama emakhaya street yabo. Ngathi ukhula inqothi isikhashana khula nomamkhulu nani ngathi mangikhula from lapho ke
ngobuyi lezi ezinothi na mosakho
angiright kanjani ngisakhula ngizibanga. So ngakhula suka from into lelenquthu ngayi Danhauser ngalokhu ngisisha sitsho nje yabona, agcina ngaze ngifika la eGoli yabo. So mangifika la eGoli ngafika vele ngiyintwana vele isazo enroll e-primary nani ngakhula yena namakhaladi yabona, fika ngafunda zonke lezo lezo plazo ngangikwazi ngaleso sikhathi kodwa ngakwazi ukuthi uyidlulele yabo.
Ngidlulela bafuthi Nakudala ninja mbukile.
Usuyapha elujita lona yabo.
Nakudala ninja. For sure now dala bozwela intori zami ukuthi bengiyinja.
Sure.
Namanje uyavuma dala ninja. Dala ninja. Mbukeli dala ninja mina. Ngeke ubuye namanje. So awuthemba siqhubeke
focus. So yeah ku level. So yeah ngafunda la emakhaya. Manje ngafunda emakhaya ngangeza lana.
So isikole usicela emakhaya isikole.
Ngisikole emakhaya basically. So eli yabo like amabanga lawa phansi kakhulu then ngasuka la ngathi primary ngafunda ngaze ngafika grade 7 i-primary ngayiqeda la ePhuket Note like then ke ngaye eWillows izaqala inkinga
inkinga mina bafethu high school bengiright ne so mina shito ngafani nalo ifusa se-primary eba umuntu oright fane noLondon beka umuntu oright from primary ayakutshela mina bengiright yabo mina inkinga icala mase ngiceda isikole bekumele ngasicatanga isikole bengenibe inkinga manje inkinga
ngcono inkinga qala lapho mina yaqala khona high school
high school
if you remember ilokho njana iWillows angazi sishintshanga kanani manje but mina ngisafunda like beku izothini iculture yakhona it was basically be surrounded by i-crime eningi kakhulu nama drugs, you understand?
Eldos injalo
ne
Eldos
but ayinjengase Willows abekubese kakhulu mfethu lapha esikephe sihlathini lesana yabo so indoda ubuye ibihlola lapha na Tuyeza mfethu esikoleni mfethu kuseni mfethu 9 ntwana bayibamba inkuzi bayikhahlelo yabona yes yabona into leyo so lonto leyo angeke ngithi iyangilimaza kangaka, you understand, because manje uma ngabe unabantu olento lena ungahlangana namajida alanje ngase Italian la majida kwangathi siba igroup kanye nawe yabo ngiqala ngabhema ndoda
bobhema insanga
ngabhema ok yabo but
bafethi ok akusinkinga mina ngiyayibhema ne and angisinkinga sibatshela ukuthi ok
akusinkinga ok yabo because manje ngiyachufa yabo so uqala wami kwenza lokho yabona it was not that big of a deal aside from the fact ukuthi ekhaya ba very traditional kangakanani yabona isikhathi kuba bese sekhona so ekhaya bayiperceive as into ngokuthi
so bhema
you understand magedlela pushisa intuthu nayo yabona leyo
vela abazali banedrama obviously
ungazibiza into leni okay igedlela
uwe lo khula manje ukubhenywa ugwayi kuphela uyavela manje umntana wakho keep ismoke esigcwala iroom lonke uyabona lo mntana uzosha lo
ushafuna igcina umlisi so but mina ngiqale mfethu like ngizothini ngibe nenkinga endlini, you understand, ngiyafisa futhi ukusho lokho ukuthi khona umehluko phakathi kwe discipline nanokuforce isandla, you understand, like
okay wena like yini umehluko between i-discipline nokuthi baqinise isandla yini?
Discipline is spoken, discipline ayikhuluma discipline before you instill.
So wena if bayakushaya akusi discipline ne,
you need to have a reason enough, because kumele ukukhuluma ukuthi ndoda into kanje musukuyenza, you understand, because ama consequences akhona ukuthi nokuthi hayi ukuthi manje ingane ibe in the dark yabo, ingane ingazi bese mayenza into kanjalo usuyashaya nje wena. Mina
yami ingane izoshawa strong, but out there if khona umuntu ozomeet ingane yakho nami izoshawa strong like umntana yashawa thina sikhule sishawa mara like beka sesinjalo sikhule sishawa
but mina kube ne right for ukuthi umshaya.
Mina benginokushawa bathi ngitshontshe imali engayitshontshanga baphinde bayithole beliphele indaba
nansi ke ngifuna yabona usufika lapho ngifuna ukuthi uye khona impela yakhe usushayiwe for into ongayenzanga kusetholakala ukuthi ubani oyenzile bayaxolisana
mzala kahle
yabona lona lokho uzwenza.
Ngiyazi mina ubaba ungitshela ukuthi ngeke ngizokuzala ngiphinde ngize ngawe mina owami lo
inkinga iqala lapho
owakhe lo yamuze ngihlala kuwo
inkinga iqala lapho yabona le so kube inkinga for mina mfethu ukuthi uma ukuthi you instill discipline rightfully or wrongfully so, then usuya reflect ukuthi hayi manje kahle lapha it could happen ukuthi bengi wrong, abazanele bethola indlela yokuthi bekwazi ukuxolisa kumuntu mangabe bebenga enforceanga i-punishment on the right grounds, yabona into leyo. So ukwazi ukuthi umshaye umuntu okay fine ngishayileke ke waphela manje umuntu mncane lo, you understand, ehambeni kwesikhathi kuyahlala kuyo ukuthi hayi yazi umuntu ongishaya into engekho hlehhle, then sekuyatholakala ukuthi lento akushayile yona i wrong or ukushayela into engekho angaxolisi. Wena njengengane, wena umuntu ofundisekile akufiki ukuthi mina ngabe kahle umuntu uyaxolisa lo because lento angishayile yona ayikho, so mina sengumuntu ozovele shayiwe nje noma singeke isidingo, yabona into leyo. Uyibuza ama question abhayela kancane
mara like into nje sonke sidlulelayo ngithola now isitholo for sure ku background ngafakaza ukuthi sonke sikhule sishawa.
But
I think what Lunga, I think what you are failing to understand when it comes to parenting, especially like in an old age, I should gain which in maybe shower this and that. That's how you see when because now you are starting to realize so much which no lena is too wrong which manje uzoqala ushaya umntana ungambonanga before ukuthi if ever ngabiya ngesikhathi sokushaya na. I think that's where the generational cases start ukuthi we have to cut such and such and such, you understand? So we can blame our parents, but that's how they were raised nabo. So nabo manje bayenzani baletha that button kithi ukuthi uyazi ukuthi I wrong lento le, even if angitshelwanga angazi ukuthi
ngiyakuzwa
ngithola na
ngiya understand the perspective enqhamuka from yona ne. Kodwa
sifuna ukuzolo kodwa wakho lo ukuthi kwenza kanjani.
If wena ubabakho mangabe wakufila if your father failed you and failed to be the father figure lo hlala phansi nawe ethi ndodana right in, you understand? Yena nje uza nje ngalokho nje
mara like
akekho njalo
before ucedezela leyo nto leyo ne like yabona abazali bethu banjani ne especially thina manje obvious thina sile generation
ungiphinda lathi ngizoyidinga
alright
thina sile generation yamanje yabo like I generation yamanje ekhuliswa abantu abakhuliswe le generation eyakudala and ekudala umntana makangezwe bekashawa
straight
and bona labantu bakhule baba right yabo mina ngifuna umamele la
baba right kodwa
ba right yabona mina for mina inside la mina ngathi babami iexample ukuthi umuntu yakwazi ukuzikhuza nanani yabo umuntu yayazi makayenza into wrong yakwazi ukubona ukuthi ngenza into wrong manje yakwazi ukubona ukuthi manje ngenza into wrong and for mina example right nami ngiprefer ukukhulisa abantwana the way wami baba ngikhulise ngakho
kodwa
ngifuna mina like however kanjani
uthi ngiyafisa ukuyenza le example lena le ngapho, you understand?
I see like open chat nje
amelanga mina I feel to understand ukuthi why ingane mangabe isicabanga vele njengobaba kumele ibe nama memories abhede kuphela. Is that angali
okay mina yabona wami ubaba unjani wami ubaba akusumuntu like uthanda ukukhuluma bengamosha namhlanje ngimosha ngibe necala azi yana ukuthi ngimoshini bengeka khulume nami bezophela indaba mangifika endlini okay ngimoshile mina ngiyazi ngimoshini shithi kumele vele ngibhadale ngiyazi vele uma moshile yashawa bekathula act as if yonke into normal kusasa lilinye ecala mina ngikhuluma
Mike
wami baba bushawa obvious umntana ukhulushwa ngenduku ibhandi shawa kanjalo vele nje mina bakazi bangishaya kithi basebenzisa impama
amafasazo lokho hayi ngezakhe izandla engathi nalingana
like abazayo phela wonke eventually wonke umuntu khona into etrigger engayakhe
nami trigger engayakho
okay uwelo na ngifuna uyithathe ngeyakhe example uyangitshela manje uthi London into kanjani ngifuna ngiyayenza mina ungishaye ngepandi ungishaye ezumntana landa lento kanjani ngifuna so ngitshela lobusithu ngomntana wakho ngishaya lobusithu uyangishaya manje ngitshela lobusithu ngiyayiphinda lento le yini engizozwa yona uqale wakhuluma nami wangishaya ngepandi shithi mina nawe siyalingana mase wena ungitshela ukuthi awuyithandi ngezenzeni shithi siyalingana
okay ngiyakuzwa lokho
mara mina ngifuna umame shithi mina nawe siyalingana that's wasebenzisa izandla
basically
basically mina
nawe example yakho yabo okay ngifuna ukuvumelana nawe within i-context yakho yabo
okay
bese ngiyakuvezela yami i-context ukuthi thini
asibe see out yami
buka if it happens ukuthi finding you do wrong yes ma umuntu vela ngithi you're not a perfect person ngithi na masayida akapeda na masayida aka right
of course
so why is it ukuthi singayiboni iside yakho right. Ngifuna uku-emphasize lokho. Ungani wena i-role yakho or indima oyidlalayo singayiboni iside lakhe right. Kungani wena man? Kungani wena ungeke ukwazi wena uwu because ikhamba losathi nawo uzoba utime angithi angeke yini uhlale phansi nentona nomfana wakho umtshele at a certain age ukuthi indoda yazi ukuthini esikhathini esikanje nakanje kuzonzeka ukuthi nokuthi mina ezindoda kumele ngikwazi ukutshela ukuthi nawe ngoba nawe uzoba indoda kusasa umdodise yayibona into leyo why singabi nakho lokho kodwa sama memories upbed nje kuphela ngawo akukho nje ukuthi ngawo
mamela injani indaba ne okay singabantu nami sengikhuluma noMjida wonke umuntu omjida la nawe sithole ngicela ufakaze kule ndaba le like mangicela ukustate iview yami ne okay ikanje indaba ne singabantu asifani
yeah true
yangitshela nawe ezuzoba i-time ngeke kube le time elifana namanye ama time yangitshela uzoba ile time eluwa ngithi so okay like indaba ikanje khona abantu abavalela indaba abangancane like khona abantu abangekho open towards wonke umuntu yangitshela like njengami okay mina for example mina noma ngaba na something engidlayo mina ngiprefer ukuthi icale kimi ngidile nayo ngiyi-one okay wena manje uyangithuka or mina nawe siyalwisana angeke ngivele ngireact at same time ngifuna like icale idle mina ngiyi-one and then mina ngiyabona okay lento ngidila nayo kanjani ngiyi-one ngitshela nabo ma time I believe banjalo khona abo ma time abangekho open lekho mase kumele akhulume nomntana wakhe khona abo ma time abangabi nayo like thina abanye sikhule sibhekelela ama-Popeye bebayibiza ema-Popeye bebathi the talk asizange saba nayo the talk nabazali into ukuthi okay yabona manje so yakhula uzohlangana namantombazana mele wahloniphe uzoba nabangani
the talk
mina lami time alikhuluma malidakiwe ngitshela and itime lami alikhuluma nawe lizokhuluma nawe kubeka yi-1 yabona once okay siyakhuluma manje okay yabona la ngaphandle mfana wami inamantombazana okuzenzakala into kanje
the point is like itime la khuluma
once in a while
la khuluma kodwa
itime lami umuntu uvalela izinto la khuluma khona
la khuluma
yeah la mina ngathi bakhuluma na mina namba bangitshela ukuthi okay ndoda yabona njengoba ukhulu indaba yakho sezoba kanje mina ufunde ukuthanda abantu khona nabantu abangeke bakuthande njengoba uwe mara wena into
uthini ngalomuntu olalele obukele ongakazi benayo the talk uthini ngomuntu
okay mina iadvice yami ne to umuntu obukele ongakazi waba nayo like ile talk nani okay mina ngifuna like yabona thina since sile youth yamanje sisifundise ungafani nale generation yakudala ngijana like wena since uzoba i-time usifundise like
ngithatha kodwa advice ngasubscribe anga
yeah advice akuse umuntu ongasubscribe anga le advice le umuntu ovelo supportayo so obviously awuthi i-ratings benguphi kanje advice ele talk okay advice ele talk injani ratings njani thina angithi thina sesilwa nalento ukuthi the way abakhulise abazali bethu ngakhona njengoba wena usho ukuthi awuboni ngathi uenforcer i-discipline into right na
so called discipline
okay so called discipline ngitshela ukuthi into right wena okay uzothi ngikhulume nalo obhekile ngibhekene na straight wena obhekile like uzifundise by the time uzothola i-chance yokuba umzali usifundise ukukhuluma nabantwana because obviously i-point of view yakho
abazali vele lapha
yani ngabazali vele nina umntana wakho ukhulume naye ungafani nalaba bethu laba bakhuluma mabo landani wenza into ekani uzali pa athola ibhandi sifundise ukuba umzali open nomntana like amanye ama-chats sidinga ukubana like sidinga ukuwaheva endlini before ngizophumela ngaphandle ngiyangithola
right then
well you see what happens is yabona sengikhuluma from perspective yomuntu ongakazi benayo the talk whether it was with umama or ubaba yabo regardless of gender lo muntu loyo uma kuwukuthi kuyenzeka ukuthi akabi nayo i-talk akabe nazo izinto ayikhulumayo
nabantu abadala.
Guess what happens? Because this was structure family, because but in this case charity begins at home.
Yeah, charity begins at home.
When there's no charity at home, usuyahamba manje usuyojoin ama gang, usuyahamba ujoin ikimu, usuyahamba uyofuna abantu ozofila relatable nabo, because ekhaya about understand, you understand, and that becomes a problem because the things you go through and the things you do to feel relatable to umuntu or abantu bangaphandle, you end up losing lokho ngila ngaphakathi, but it was not your fault to begin with, because kwabona abantu labamele ngabe bayakufaka uyazizwe ngathi ufudumele la ekhaya
safe nabo, safe space yakazange
bahlulekile ukwenza lokho. You understand? It's not that abakhonanga ukwenza lokho, bahlulekile ukwenza lokho. Umuntu okuyena ke manje, because bathi inhloko yomuzi, umuntu okuyena ke umuntu mengabe ayidriver yonke lento lena, umele ngabe uyayisteera ukuthi vele nje kube kanje. So uyena ke manje usehamba idle manje.
Okay, before siyafair.
Imagine watching your own mother being a father as well. Imagine. Anyway, and you do know ngithi ukuthi uma ukuthi ngizothini as a mother khona izinto ngeke ukuyifundisa umfana, but uyazama. Yabo mina ngiyamthanda futhi mama, ngiyamthanda, although sesilokhuze akusuxabana because angeke ngixabane mama, you understand. Mina ngeke ngithi uxabane yabo, because ngizothini ungaboni ngasolinye, but siyabuyisana. Mina ngenza sure ukuthi makuthi sigejene namhlanje siyabuyisana namhlanje, you understand. Noma ngabe kuyimo wrong, noma ngabe kuyo wrong, ngiyabuya ngithi kodwa mama now uyabona ukuthi wrong, you understand. Sesingalokho nje siyibalekele into le, kodwa now wrong, you understand. Kodwa nami ngibe wrong ngendlela engithathe ngayo, you understand. So manje it's like siyabuyisana. Mina lento lena ngizothini ngiyayifunda kuyo mama and nangaphandle ngiyayenza ukuthi
back to the point ukuthi charity begins at home.
Exactly. So even if manje sekhona lesi space less ukuthi someone isn't there, uma ngabe ngireach out to London, who is my family outside, because now sungumfowethu njengamanje, yabo mangila igoli ngiyazi ukuthi nginabafowethu njengamanje. So ngiyazi ukuthi uma ukuthi mina nomjita sakejana or nomjita sakejana, ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngimqonde straight ngitshela ukuthi ayi kodwa mjita now you wrong, ubusumdlelana into labadala loya.
Okay, before sinweba ne
sibuyisana
as abantu nje yami something wena okumele uyi understand as abantu asifana. Ngitshela like for wena ukhuluma ngakho it's easy ukuthi mina nawe namhlanje sixabane, but then ukwazi ukuza kimi uthi ayilandani mfethu into oyishilo angithandanga,
noma into eyishilo
or mina into engishilo i-wrong kuwe, manje ngiyaxolisa ngayo leyo ndaba ne. Wena for wena it's simple ukuthi uyenze into leyo.
It's actually not.
Okay, mara like
awukho simple
wena like you are able ukuthi uziyehlise uze kimi ngithola.
Ayekho umuntu ongakwazi ukuzehlisa, kuya ngokuthi uyafuna nani.
Sine pride nje singabantu.
Isizani ngiphi?
Yabona mina okay, mina for mina sengikhuluma mina ngufok ngithola.
Yeah.
If awunandaba uthamba ngithola. Mina ngathini ka mina ngimamele i underground hip hop kakhulu ngithola. Mina I think ya fuck njalo ufaka akajiki ufaka njalo wena mothi fuck me straight ngithola ajiki njalo. So mina the way ngikhule ngakhona awuthamba. Okay, long story short, mina ngikhule ngintwana ezithulele, but then njengoba ngikhula khona ama situation engeke ngiwakhulume emakhamerini ngithola ukuthi ayenzekile wangishintsha ngaba like mina normally ne like mina I'm a quiet kid. Mina ngi-introvert ngithola, but then ama situation engihlangane nawo empilweni angenza ukuthi like ngiphumele ngaphandle ngiyobona ezinye izinto and ngaphandle njengoba angithi umzwili uqabe kakhuluma ngokuthi uphume uyozithola kugengi kulo thina abanye siphumile saya kuma gang and then kulo gang I felt at home. Ngithola I felt like sengisendlini no.
Exactly.
Like amajita okay mina amajita employment nawe sengizocala indaba ze stage nanani abantu bebakwazi ukukhuluma nawe mofika babona okay mina masengena ku stage bengipantsula yabo amadikisi,
which is a good thing because ama lokhuza ama subculture bonke ama subculture cha pantsula futhi ngiyakhonzile Ngikhonzile.
Wena hayi abanye hayi umbukeli nawe mbukeli mabhekele nawe mbukeli mabhekele
kodwa umbukela ngazenza ngcono yezo kodwa yena uyazazi ukuthi it's either uyibhinqa uyibhutshwa uyisikhothana noma uyinik uyazi naye ukuthi khona subculture alento lena afola under yona
isubculture sipansula it's a long topic ngitshona singayingeni ngitshona singayingeni because like into edonsayo okay like mina masengena la okay bekwabafowethu bokuthi okay njengabangani bami manje mangifika okay namhlanje ngiyafika mina ngumuntu okay since ngahlangana la ma situations lawo ngichange okay ngumuntuoloud nje yami ngitho mangifika la ngikhona uzolanda nokhona na kanjani mawufika noma ungaphandle
yes ukhona
noma ungaphandle uzolanda nokhona la phakathi ngitho ngiloud mina nje
yabani yamuza ukhona
angina filter nokuba ne filter angina filter ukhona yamuza angina filter nje ngitho noma kwizinto wena mina like angina dewe engena filter ngakhona ungabushaya isokisel dabukile nge situation yakho mina kimi ijoke ngitho experience out yami my experience ngitho and look how I turned out
You turned out fine.
ngitho umuntu has decided out yami okay yabona ngizothi kuma teen stage wami being affect like serious being affected serious sengize ngicabanga mina bengingama enga njani ngitshona uyangibheka wena enhloko ngibhekani wena wayongibheka yona yangiplanela wena sengakushaya manje ngitshona okay ngiyazambela naba abantu bayahleka bayakhuluma bahleka indaba zabo ngiyajika uhleka wena shoot uhleka mina bengaffecta ngisine but then into engasifundisa yona ngihlale nomuntu omdala from my family wangitshela ukuthi yabona if nawe okay ngixoxa advisor the same advice engayithola kulo muntu xoxa advisor umuntu obhekelela indaba zabazali ezabazali wena nakinto yakho out yami ngithi ugcelo wami because bazocabanga ukuthi njola nawe baby Kenny nakinto yakho ngithola out yami ne
So Tupac.
yazi ubaba mungitshela ukuthini ne athi we live by the choices we make every day we live by the choices we make if wena out yami ufuna ungitshela ukuthi into kanje yakubreaka ikubreakile but still
Until when?
usasekhona
Until when?
Not until when usasekhona out yami ne I destroyanga ikubreakile wena right nsithira uzoyithatha okay mina zonke izinto ezangibreak out yami ngiyithama weakness wami
My strength.
strength sami
Izinto wazi ukuthi udlule kuzo.
mina out yami ngabona umntana like okay mina for example if I had my own things ne if bengineyami imali I would bengizoyenzani le bengizo offer ama trauma counseling ama psychological watwata ngitshela for abantwana for bang out yami like ezinye
Basitila nayo into leyo ngendlela ingafani.
Dirings out yami ne njengoba sikhula nje nathi tshela wena mfethu nogelo wakho njengoba uyi2000 zohlezi nilo ngitshela nizohlezi nilo out yami like ambesana ngama relationships angithi
No besakhuluma ngento lena ngetrauma ukuthi yogena kanjani
besakhuluma ngendaba zomndeni ngitshela nangithi lethiwa kunani sesukuma relationships
man.
ama relationships out yami wena uzodila nawo doya bakufundise ngakhona
I believe in true love.
mina true love ikhona out yami
Ngeke.
true love ikhona umbukeli sole don't you believe
True love does ikhona
true love does exist
Manje ithola ngicela ngiphathele nibeke la. Nathi ikhombe izinto
okay true love by mina ne okay ukuba
kuma relationship ja man.
Ukuba in love enye feeling ngithola esingakwazi ukuyichaza
true love ikhona so sorry then to cut you off true love ikhona ne and inema challenges inside, and once you pass those challenges, that's where you realize which you, yes, if I have like if lo muntu bangahlalang or mina bengahlalang shukuthi lento lena bengeke ngilona mina ngiku relationship yami 16 years ku relationship yami. So you can't tell me ukuthi this thing doesn't exist, and we have fought, bro. Man, I made like terrible mistakes inside. You understand? So yes. Yes, 16 years. Yeah. Same person. And kubanga lula ndoda. Waba nento eziningi ndoda. Mina ngahamba ngenza into emfrefere kwazola ningani phakathi nani. But umuntu wami stayed. That's where I realized ukuthi yes.
Amen.
That's why
one thing about amajita 14 besileno bandakexen must be mixing besileno munye cherry ne letlo cherry lo washo ukuthi for amajita it's easy ukuthi accept amacala wakhe asho ukuthi baby girl for mina okay mina ngaqabana ninokelwa manje okay London ufeli ubanjiwe yafeba London ubanjiwe mina ngiyavuma okay mfethu bengirona mina one thing about now mbuke
icala nje umphiko mfethu awulivumi icala
if we out yampekelele if we out mamela out yam if we out ne for out now isithole now kizino ngafakaza it's easy ukuthi uthi sorry mawi out it's easy ukuthi uxolise
yeah
it's okay isorry yakho it's easy ukuthi I understand
yeah well
mina out here mina mangibanjwa ngiya accept okay mfethu for example umbali bengibhizi naye ngithola ngicala lapho umbali mamela
angeke ngivume kodwa khona uxolisa ngizoxolisa kodwa ukuvuma ukuthi ngiyenzile cha ngeke
as long uvuma ukuthi icala ulenzile njani
angeke ngivume ngiyazi icala angali kodwa angeke ngivume ukuthi ngilenzile ngizoxolisa
ukuthi uqhubeke uye phambili kumele uqala accept defeat ubanjiwe yazi moxolisa mongaxolisi yadonsa une proof awuxolisi yadonsa
ama screenshots
yeah when you happy wena unjita nje masihleli singamajita kanje baba mina iqiniso ngiliphika kuze kuba amanga ngitho
yabona umuntu wakhe nama screenshots
I went on hitting but come through a lot.
No, but what is saying ngiyabona ukuthi uthi uyaphika mfethu umuntu evele kusaze ama screenshot about yes. Yo, uthi uyachaza fana vele ingangena indaba yakho ubona dayiba.
Ngitho tatsa mina ngiya accept lami icala.
Kodwa mina ngifuna ukuthi into lena ngiqale ku true love. Ngisemaqaleni.
Okay mama.
Bese ngiye understand ukuthi why ngithi umuntu one for phone.
Ngicela angithi sithole ucele wachaza ukuthi true love it does believe ukuthi ya exist. Maqala true love ya exista.
Exist.
Why na exist?
Why ya flop vandaag sasa uyaxolisa umuva on
mara true love isola patho isola patho bekezela
ababekezeli uyaflopa vandaag kusasa umuva
wena macala uphendulile wena uphendule ngakho
okay ayikho
reason being ukuthi anga believe ukuthi true love
reason
yeah mina ngizothula mangaba valid if I call valid angeke ngithule if I call valid angeke ngithule
true love ayikho siba
why uthi true love ayikho macha
ayikho
yeah
cause ezinye izinto uyazenza uchera ka understand ukuthi uzenziswa yini instead ukuthi akumamele akubhekise uyabaseleka ahamba kushiya kanjalo
she was not the one if she needs you
exactly
if I have
that point awetholi true love kulo point awetholi true love
I understand ukuthi udlulaphi
uzoyikhomba
ukuthi
mngani wami
if example yayo
awukazi wahlangana nogeli ukuthi weba uyaflopa but she still stays awukazi waba kulo situation ukuthi uflopeka i10 but uyaqola
mina
shoto lokho wait. Shoot wena wait. Mina ngiyazi true love ke.
Mina ngiyazi.
Okay wena yazi wena ngabuza ukuthi why ungabhiliveli ukuthi true love. Wena ngaba uthini? Hayi maqala. Mina ngoyiboni ngento leyo ukuthi
angiyiboni.
But akekho ongibhekela. Akekho anonymous lo. Cela umkhipha mina ngegama lakhe. Umngani wami egama lakhe uKeketho. As long as mina yamazi uKeketho. As long as mina yabona le bayazi. Mawazi abogela ababhekelile abazi mina bayazi le. If uke wajona noKeketho.
Awuna true love.
Awuna true love.
Style lapho.
Akana.
Okay, wena ubelieve ukuthi inkinga uwora bogela.
Mina.
Yeah.
Abogela kusini mina ngi right.
Exactly.
Mina ngi right.
Okay, sesiku. Ikhona true love.
Ikhona.
Do you believe in true love?
Ikhona.
Why do you believe in true
No,
love?
angibelieve kuyo. Asilungise lapho. Angibelieve kuyo.
If
Ikhona.
do you believe in God?
Of course.
Ukhona uNkulunkulu.
Ukhona.
Okay, do you believe in true love?
Hayi,
Mzile. You can't believe in something enjayami. You can't believe in something enga exist.
No, musufanisa uGod the true love. I true love, na a practical example.
None I do be. Mina okay, I'm going to
for the fact ukuthi nihlale together 15 years.
For sure ngitholile baby ke true love yakho marabe ngekhona. But I do believe in true love.
Wena wathi ungenayo true love
Mina bo wonke ama relationship wami mi flop.
Buka. Ngakuchazela ukuthi hayi mina ngicine sengiba nama opinion lawo nawo njengamanje. Yabo. So,
Pendula, do you believe in true love? If you believe ukuthi uyavuma ukuthi ikhona. Do you believe? It's a simple question. It's a yes or no question.
Yes, sisho kanjani.
Do you believe in true love?
No context yakho yes.
Ungathi ngeconcept good.
Game.
Yeah, do you believe in true love?
Yes. Ngizochazela ukuthi why. Yes.
Okay, why do you believe in true love?
The only time umjida. Futhi kakhulukazi umuntu omnyama. Ngikucacisa lokho ukuthi thina singamajida thina we are the least lovable creatures on the planet. Qiniso nje lelo. Akekho umuntu osithandayo nabantu abamnyama amajida. Khike, why ngithi ikhona true love?
Dark gents are the best bafethuning ngezwa ngaloya ngithiwa.
Yes,
Asababa.
No.
Sebaba.
Angisho ngokwesikhumba. Ngisho ngokwe-race abantu abamnyama abamajida. Yibona abastruglisha kakhulu abangeke bethandeke isinoma isikanjani.
Ngicela la
uzophendula
ukuthi singakhuluma akekho umuntu o-white la ongakhulumela iside lakhe.
Ngiyandlula ke lapho
yabo. Thinta fast
sesebona ngidikila leyo.
Sabashiya bafile siyadlula.
No ngizobuya kodwa kuyo some other day.
Some other day.
Buka ke kodwa ngithi mina i-true love ngiyabelieve kuyo. Kanjani na? The only time into lena mina ngibelieve ukuthi true love sayithola khona sayigcina khona futhi was when uma wakho ekuthwala 9 months akuvumela ukuthi uphume esiswini sakhe. Yabo. That was true love. That was true love because ebengachoose ukuthi keep. Ebengachoose to keep. But wakufala 9 months.
Before yana.
Yona true love.
Okay lwakho awuthiyami umuntu ohleza khethe wena.
Umuntu ongamazi.
Ngiyakutshela ukhela umuntu ozohleza khethe wena. Ngitshela. Wonke umuntu njami empilweni uhlangana nama situations which kulama situation lawa akakwazanga ukudlula through no without wena. I believe ukuthi uyiphila of strength yomuntu. Mina ngiphila of strength yomuntu.
Okay, I have a question. Okay, I have a question for Umjida ne.
Sure.
Between umntana wakho nomfazi wakho noma wakho who comes first? Yeah.
Mama.
Kula baba utri. No, angitshele nje like according
Umntana. Okay now umntana.
Angithi siqala ngapha
Yeah. Between umama Cherry. Okay ngithi Cherry. You are old.
Umfazi. Yeah.
No mama. Umntana. Cherry. Umama.
Abona uzobeka nje kanje.
Ubani oyimpercent la?
Mntana.
Ungaba line up. Mazothi umntana, uzothi umama.
Angithi question. No, asibeke kanje Daddy. It's fine. I say no, it's fine. Asibhekeni kanje. Asenzeni
Top three.
Yeah, top 3 ukuthi ubani ozayiqala.
Umama, umfazi.
Yeah.
Number 1.
Is generally order leyo uyibeke ngayo.
Umntana.
Yeah.
Umama.
Yeah.
Umfazi.
Yes.
Angakubhebhisa umama wakho. Mngani.
Buka ke.
Okay, and then Danny wena ime kanjani yakho?
Okay. Umfazi.
Okay. All right. Okay, umfazi. Okay.
Umntana.
Okay.
Umama.
Thank you Danny. Kumele ibe njalo. Kumele ibe njalo guys.
Sicakuzana lo.
Okay, wena.
Umfazi umntana umama.
Umntana,
Yeah.
umama,
Yeah.
fazi number last.
Mara ayikho mnganami.
Guys,
Umfazi uzokushiya.
that's why I'm out amaningi umama asho something ne akhona ukuzocontrola yini ifamily yakho. Umama ube nefamily yakhe ila mina ngazalwa khona. She don't have any word ukuthi azocontrola ifamily yakho. So you guys are giving umama ipower ukuthi ayocontrola yini umuzi wakho. Umfazi wakho, you guys are starting a new family together. She must come first. You guys are building a family. Then kuza uni umntana. Umama, she's the last person. She left her family.
Yes.
Ne azo create umndeni.
Ukukhuluma lo point
Yeah.
usuqede.
Yeah, okay, it's fine qede.
Yabona
Yeah.
ulento lena umntana nomama.
Yeah.
Awukho lulu ukuthi bethatha ama bonds bewalahle. Yabona for just anything.
Yeah.
Nansi into ingozi ngomuntu osifazane. Yes. Ayisibayila ku love with mina what do I define love as?
Yeah.
Uthando is nothing more than 4 chemicals responding to lento lena messages.
Which 4 chemicals?
It's serotonin, it's testosterone.
Na abe physics mina bengiza
adrenaline, adrenaline and dopamine. You understand? It's serotonin.
Okay.
It's testosterone.
Besides
I'm a chemical basically.
Besides the scientific explanation, yeah. What is love for? Before something about true love,
It's a delusion. Delusion. If it's not true love, it's delusion.
Ilona according to me.
Like the question is what is love? What is love? It might be for me ngifuna siyena what is love for in Australia?
What is love?
Yeah.
Love is just like joining of two people, especially when it comes to male and
With
female.
pure intentions.
Without pure intentions or
With common
Interest.
yes,
intentions.
exactly. That's love.
What is love for?
That's why nani niba namagenge na nihlangane ngento eyi-one.
That is love.
Yeah, that's love.
Kodwa buka bengifuna ukuya la.
Cause ayibambela cause manje ne the reason ninibekela kahle ngayo nina ngithi nina you are trying to run away from le ukuthi umfazi she comes first nizama yonke indlela ukuyibalekela and you can't have a family bro, you can't have a family without umfazi and that's and ucale kahle udeni ne udeni ucale kahle wathi do you guys believe in true love now manje uyabona manje that's why ninikeze even this top 3 ne ukuthi uzabani kuza sikhuluma nge-true love ukuthi kulo leli singathi umfazi uzokushiya siqale nge-true love qala siqale ngo-true love that's where we started ku-true love uyakuthanda lo muntu yeah okay cool
buka ngwe-true love ne
yes
ngwe-true love vele kuze umfazi qala ayixoxisile ngwe-true love
hayi ngokwe-true love
not
basically indaba injayo
kumele ibe njalo
kumele ibe njalo you can in fact yazi Kelly
we must never make a mistake yokuthi sithatha umama sizomfaka lana before your wife. It comes with your wife first. La siyasho nje hawa siyasho ilento esishoyo uyabona ujika umpini ubuya kithi uyabona uyabona yes now
yazi ucherry uzokushiya la
uyapi
mamela ntwana mamela ntwana ne asi sasithi kunochero hlangane nayo who truly loves you ngitshona ukuthandayo ntwana ukuthi phela masesithi uyakuthanda uzalwe asithi kahlatshwayo waza kini kubani ukhabo waza kini azimisele to build a family
Now.
kukhabo aphuma va
Achenja nesaneni.
wachenja somshadile uchenje nesaneni shoot that moment uzimisele ukuthini yonke into eyakakhabo izakimi
uyafika udinda uphethe istek semali uyabona ukuthi ukhaba kasana next
Uzwa.
umama nyeka kushiye umntana nyeka
uthanda ukhabo udinda uyafika nayo yonke imali udinda uyaflexa uyaspend udinda abamqomi
Exactly.
she still stays with you
That's the true love.
angithi thina sithi true love kuside lethu
Yeah.
uyahlala
sikahlalela ama reason
how many sacrifices
yabo
how many sacrifices awayenzile for which abe kwakhabo
asemani
but still
ntwana asikhuluma ngokuthi uyaflopa ne sikhuluma ngomntana ukuthi okay uyaflopa ne but then ama-flop wakhe a-influencer ama-flop wakho yangithola ama-flop wakhe ukuthi yena aze aflope u-influence wuwe wena boflopa wakuxolela waflopa wagcina wathi uyahlanya lo nami ngiyaflopa ngifuna ukubona uzwenzani aflop phela mina ntwana le ukuthi from inside lami ukuthi ugela azakuchitheka wuye
hayi
inkinga wuye sithole awuvumelani nami
maybe
90% ne 90% of ama-flop wabantu abasifazane akhoswa ngamajita 90% ikhona into ngeke avele nje akusukela nje otherwise wena nawe ulanda isifebe nje usibona ukuthi isifebe
mina ngihlanganile
lapho
kusho ukuthi nawe nje ungene uyazi ukuthi lana ke ilona eninja le uzidonsile nje
umthola estrati bakutshela ukuthi brush ini umfakele
uyazi
exactly. There's no way.